Hey guys, I'm Patronn.
It's Chris Veely. Chris makes car buying easy. Aggressive Subaru.
All right, Subaru guy.
That's right.
So, tell me about the conference. What do you think?
I think this is great. I'm learning so much. I'm inspired beyond belief. The
Yes.
11-year-old girl has inspired me to become the greatest person in the world.
Yeah,
This guy right here is one of my heroes. This guy is.
Thank you.
I watch him every week. He's great.
Yes, we put a lot of content out there. So, the question is, right, your parents ask you, what do you want to be when you grow up? What we learned today is the girl said, what do you want to be now? Right?
Exactly.
And that kind of changed your mindset. If an 11-year-old has that kind of mentality, guys, you can only imagine. So this is why it's so important to attend these conferences. You learn so much about the industry, and I'm passionate about it. I mean, obviously you are. You're here, right?
Yeah.
So, you know, you would think, hey, we got 400 cars, we're selling all these cars, but you never stop learning at the end of the day. So, you know, I appreciate the support, of course, always.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
All right, and let's keep rocking, man. Let's have a crazy year. Guys, Patronn out.
Thank you.